Hello everyone. Today we will do some worksheet. Let's start. Count the similar candies and write the number. Count the similar candies and write the number here. Let's start. First, chocolate candies. 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolate candies. Next, pink candy. 1, 2, 3. 3 pink candies. Next, lollipops. 1, 2. 2 lollipops. Next, blue candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue candies. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow candies. And the last, green candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5 green candies. Thanks for watching.